this episode of Open House. I'm your designer, Ethan.
And I'm Elain.
We are from Ethan Interiors Design Studio. Okay, the interior design theme for this home is actually a dark modern classic look. The homeowner prefers something that's a bit on the darker side because all the while they had something that's on a very light interior theme. So along the way, we actually had this mood board with the homeowner where we actually were focusing on the accent and everything. So they prefer something that has a bit of timelessness where we added the gold accent and also a very dark theme that's contrasting that accent. The design approach for this house, right, is actually very modern, really classic, right? But mainly because of our life in Singapore, we believe that it's actually very busy. So something that's a bit more cleaner, something that's a bit more modern, will give it a very toned down life or pace of life to actually help the homeowner feel more at peace at home.
I think the special features around the house will be the rainbow and the playroom for the kids. Because the room, we never really do any carpentry there, but the owners still want like a little touch to the space, although they want some loose furniture around. So we actually add like a feature wall. We did like some like the rainbow painting to add like to make it look a bit more kids. The room more like belongs to a kids one. And then for the other special features we did was actually the kitchen sliding door, the glass one, which actually when it opens up is actually hidden behind the fridge door. And then for the bomb shelter, we actually cover it up with a black tinted mirror to actually make the space look bigger. If you look at the floor plan, the house there's actually like a slanted wall that is kind of weird, but so we actually add it up with the tinted mirror to expand the whole space up.
I think the most unique thing about this floor plan is that it's actually a 20 plus years old floor plan, a resale HDB. So they actually have this like diagonal corridor wall. It's super unique, which actually we love it because this door is not parallel, right? When you're sitting in front of the sofa, it's not straight, it's not flat. So what we did was we actually tried to flush the whole thing. So when the angle meets, right, there's actually this part where it feels very seamless.
I think this renovation is actually not say very smooth, but definitely there will be a few hiccups. But I feel like it's still counted as quite smooth because the client is actually quite decisive and they actually have a vision of what they actually wanted at the very start of the material proposal. So they actually, whenever we propose stuff, they can just say like, oh yes, I want this, I want that. It was actually like really
amazing.
Yeah.